Hello students, welcome to the next lecture on the network analysis. Today we will discuss about Dijkstra algorithms. Myself Dr. Garg, working in the School of Mathematics, Thapar Institute, India. What is the objective of this lecture is, we will see how we can find the minimum distance between any two specific nodes which are joined together either by directly or indirectly. For example, if you consider about this network, how you can find the minimum distance between the node 1 and the 8. You can see they are not directly joined, they are indirectly joined. There are so many ways you can go through 1 to 3, 3 to 5 to 8. Either you can go 1 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 8 and so on. But which one of them is the minimum? Similarly, if you have the second network, how you can find the minimum distance between the node 2 to the 6 are there. So again you can see there are the many ways. This is the first way, this is the here, and many more are there. So how you can find this distance we will see in this lecture. And the algorithm which we are used for such purpose is called as Dijkstra algorithm. What is the notation we will use that? I will use the ui, that is called as the distance from the starting node to the ith. If I call this is my starting node, then this is called as the u2, this is called as u3 and so on. And dij is the length of them. So if I call as, what is the value of the d12, that is my 3. What is the value of the d45, that is from 4 to 5, the distance is my 4 and so on. Once you will start them, then you can find the new direction. That is, if you start from here, then I can say if this distance has the value say 0, then 0 plus 3 and comma 1. What is the meaning of this one is, that is I can reach this point 2 from this one is there. Here it means we are coming from the node I. This I means we are coming from the node I after covering a distance dij, after covering a distance ui from the starting node. Now there are the, you can see these all circles are represent my nodes which are of the two category. One is called as the temporary, second is called as the permanent. Our basic target is to move all those temporary node to be the permanent node. Then the question arises is how we can make all the temporary node to the permanent. There are the two ways. The first way is the temporary nodes or the label can be replaced with the another temporary node only. When you can replace, if you will find the distance between the two paths is the minimum, or you can say if you detect a shorter path between the same node. For example, if I say how you can reach from 1 to 2, there is a 1 which having the distance 3, otherwise you can move from 1 to 3 and 3 to 2, and the distances are my total distance is 8, here is my 3. So you can see this is my minimum distance or minimum node. Otherwise you can replace the temporary node into the permanent node when there is no better route is found. How we can say these 2 points, we will see the couple of the examples are here. Now what is the Dijkstra algorithm is there? We will start with any of the node, say node 1, and we will label as the 0, 0 means the 0 distance. Then we will find the new distance by using this one, and we will provided these are the not permanent. We will check whether these new distances are the minimum or not, or you can say they are the permanent, then we can stop. Otherwise we will find the minimum among all these values and we will compute the step 2 again until all these values are my permanent. So let's see how we can explain this with the help of the 4 to 5 examples in this lecture. Say your target is to find the distance from the 1 to the 8. Again you can see there are so many ways are there, 1 2 6 8, you can see 1 2 3 5 8, you can see that 1 2 5 8, you can see about 1 4 5 8, and many more are there. Among all of them, which one is the minimum distance are there? So let's say we can start from, since we can start from the node 1, let p represent for the permanent node. Our target is to make them all those values, that is 1, and my distance target is to 8. So my target is to make them this as a permanent. How we can make? Let's start with the node 1 as a 0 and status is permanent. Now in this figure, can you, which one you can reach from the 1? You can go either 1 to 2, 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. You can write as 2, 3 and 4, and these are called as temporary node. what is the distance of the 2? Now since this value is my 0 comma hash, so 0 plus 3, this value is my 3, I can reach the 2 from the 1, so this is 3 comma 1. Similarly, what is that? This is 0, this is 6, so this is 0 plus 6 is my here, I can reach from the 1. Similarly, from the 4 I can reach as a 0 plus 5, from the 1 I call as this is there. Now which one is the minimum among them? Since this is the minimum, so I can make this as a permanent node. You can see I can make this as a permanent, I can write as a 2. Again, all those permanent node I have denoted this by pink color. Look about this figure. From the 2 you can reach as a 6, you can go to the either as a 5 or you can go as a 3. So there are the 3 possible ways are there. Either you can go as a 3, 5 and 6. Is there any remaining one? You can see the previous temporary nodes are my 3 and 4. 3 is already included, but 4 is not be there, so I can copy this 4 value and I can paste here. Now we can find the values of 3, 5 and 6. So what is the value of 2 is my 3 comma 1. Now what is the distance of 3? So 3 plus 2, that is a 5, but already a 3 value is there, that is a 6 comma 1. So from here the value is my 5, I can reach from the value 2, but the previous value is my 6. Which one is the minimum? This distance is minimum, so I can write here as 5 comma 2. If this is the minimum, then I can write as a 6 comma 1. What is the distance at the 5 is? Previous value is 3, 3 comma 3 plus 3, that is a 6. From the distance of my 2, this is my here. How you can reach here? This is 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 comma. Which one is the minimum? You can see both are the minimum, so you can take any one of them. So let's say I can make this 3 as my permanent, so that is I can start from here, I can start 3 as a permanent. Again, look about in this figure, you can start from the 3 reaching either as a 5 or as a 4, so you can write as a 4 and 5. Either any of them is pending, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is pending, so I can take the 6 and I can write like here. Now what is the value of the 3 is my 5 comma 2. What is the 4 is? The distance is my 5, so 5 plus 3, that is 8, from the 3 is there, but the previous value of 4 is my 5 comma 1, the new value is 8. Which one is the minimum is? 5 comma 1, so I can write as a 5 comma 1. Similarly, from the 5, this 3 as a 5 comma 2 and 5 plus 4, that is a, this value is my 9 comma 3, but the previous value of 5 is my 6 comma 2. Which one is the minimum is? 6, so I can write as a 6 comma 2. Now again you can see that which one is the minimum is. Now this value is my minimum and you can write like here. From 4 you can see you can go either as a 5, you can go either as a 7, so I can write as a 5. You can't go as a 3 because 3 is already a permanent, but I can see the 6 values are remaining here, you can write here. You have to go until you will get 8 as a permanent, because my target is to get as a 1 to 8. Now 4, what is the distance is? 4 is 5 comma 1, so you can go 4 to 5. The new distance is 4, previous one is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9 comma 4, but the previous value is my 6 comma 2, the minimum is my 6 comma 2, I can write as a 6 comma 2. Similarly for here, again you can see which one is the minimum is 6 comma 2 is minimum, so I can make 5 as a permanent. You can see here, from the 5 you can go either as a 6, either as a 8 or either as a 7. Is there any previous value remaining? No, 6 and 7 already include. What is the value of 5 is? 6 comma 2. Now can you find the value of 6? This is my 6 comma 2. 6 plus 4, that is a 10 comma 5, but the previous value of the 6 is my 11 comma 2. Which one is the minimum is? 10 comma 5 is my minimum, so I can write here. Similarly for the 7, the value of the 5 is my 6, 7 is here, so 5 plus 2, that is a 7 from the distance from the node 5, but the previous value of the 7 is my 12 comma 4, but the new value is my minimum, so I can write like here. Similarly for the 8. Now which one is the minimum is? 7 is minimum, I can take this value and I can write like here. Again there is no previous value, you can take the distance, this value is my 8 comma 5. Now you can go of 7 to 8, this is 8 plus 3, that is 11, previous value is 13, so that this is the minimum. 11 from the 7 is there, and so on. Again you can see which one is the minimum. 6 is the minimum, so you can write as a 6 is here. Now since there is only last one is the pending, so I can take this as a permanent, that is this color is also be a green. Now 8 is permanent here, so we can stop here. Now what is the distance between them? So the shortest distance of the 11, 8 is my corresponding to 8 is 11 is there. Now how you can write the path? Now my target is to start from the 1 and ending at the 8. You can see here 8 is permanent due to 7, so I can write as a 7. 7 is permanent here, 7 is permanent due to 5, so I can take as a 5. 5 is permanent at here, this is due to 2, so I can write as a 2. 2 is permanent at here, which is due to the 1 is here. So it means this is the path from the 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, and you can see 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 is again here. 11 is the minimum distance between the 1 to 8. Look at the another example. So we will see how you can find the distance between 1 to 8, from 1 to 8, from 1 to 6, and from 4 to 8. Now there are the three questions are there. So let me start from firstly here, 4 to 8. So since my starting point is my 4, so I can start from the 4. I can take this as a 4. I can take as a 0 comma here P. From the 4 I can reach either as a 7 because this is arrow, either I can go as a 5 or go as a 6. Since this value is my 0, what is the distance of 5? This is 0 plus 3, that is my 3 from the node 4. What is the distance as a 6? From 4 to 6, distance as a 6 plus 0 is my 6 comma 4. And from the 7 is my 8 comma 4. Now from here you can see which one is the minimum. This is my minimum, so I can move this as a node is here. So that is a 3 comma 4. From the 5 you can go either as a 4, 6, only 6 as there, so I can write either as a 6. But you can see the previous value 7 is also be there, so I can write it as a 7 as such. Now what is the value of the 5 is my 3 comma 4. I can go here as 3 plus 3 is 6 comma 5. What is the previous value of the 6 is? Now you can see both the distance are same, so you can write both the values are there since both the distance are. Now which one is the minimum is? Again this is the minimum. I can make this as a permanent. I can go until the 8 becomes a permanent. Now from the 6 you can go either as a 7 or you can go as a 8. Any of the previous value appears? No. What is the value of the 6 is my 6 comma 4 or 6 comma 5. Now what is the distance of the 6 to 7? 6 plus 5, that is a 11 from the 6, but the previous value is my 8, so the which one is the minimum is 8 comma 4. From the 6 to 8, previous value 6 plus 2 is 8 from the 6 R. Now which one is the minimum? You can take any one of them, but my target is to make the permanent as 8, so I can take this as a permanent. Now my target is to reach at the permanent here, so what is the minimum distance is 8. So your target is to from the 4 to 8. How you can write them? 8 is permanent at here, which is due to 6. I can write as a 6. 6 is permanent at here, which is due to 4 as well as 5. So it means I can write here as a 4, I can write here as a 5. 5 is permanent here, which is due to the 4. So I can write here as a 4 is permanent here. And 4 is automatically there. So it means my distance from the 4 to 8 is either 4, 6, 8. But there are the two paths are there, 4, 6, 8 and 4, 5, 6, 8. That is, you can see 4, 5, 6, 8 for the green color and 4, 6, 8 for the pink color, and you can see the distances are same, that is my 8. Similarly, you can see from the 1 to 8 and 1 to 6, you can start from the node 1. From the 1 you can see you can go either as a 2 and 3. You can find the distance from them as a 1 comma 1. Which one is the minimum? This is the minimum, so you can take as a P on the next stage. 2, from the 2 you can go as a 3, you can go as a 5, you can go as a 4. Then but the previous value is my 3. 3 is already there, so you can take which one is the minimum. So you can compute the distance from the here, you will get these are there since both are minimum are. Which one is the minimum? This is minimum. You can take 3 as a permanent in the next stage, and you can see 3, 5, 4 and 6. You can compute the distance. For example, the distance of the 5, previous value of the 3 is my 2, 2 plus 1 is my 3, so the 5 distance is my 3 comma 3, but the previous value is my 3 comma 2, so I can take both the values are here. Which one is the minimum is here, you can take them, you will get here. Since 5 you can go only on the 6, so but the previous value of the 4 can also be taken here. Which one is the minimum is, this is my minimum, you can take it as a 4. Now you can take 6 and 7. Again you can see which one is the minimum is here, you can see this is my minimum. Now you can see I want a 6 as a node fixed, so it means this is my permanent, so my target, so the minimum distance between the 1 to 6 is my here 6. And what is the path is, you can start from the 1 to 6, so you can see 6 is due to the 3, 6 is due to the 5. There are the two paths are there. Now 3 is permanent at here, which is due to 1, so you can see 3 is permanent due to 1, so the one way is 1 3 6. 5 is permanent at here, which is due to 3. Now there are again two ways, 3 and 2. 3 is permanent at again 1, 2 is permanent at 1. So it means how many ways are there? There are the three paths, 1 3 6, 1 3 5 6. You can see from here 1 3 5 6 and 1 2 5 6. So these are the answers of here. But how you can find this one, you can take them as another way until you will get as a 8 permanent. So you can see here, now you can see this is my permanent. So what is the minimum distance of the 8 is my 8. What is the path is from 1 to 8. 1 is permanent due to 6, 6 is permanent due to 3, 6 is permanent due to 5, 3 is permanent due to 1. So it means the one path is 1 3 6 8. 5 is permanent due to 3, 5 is permanent due to 2, 3 is permanent due to 1, 2 is permanent due. So there are the three ways. You can see 1 3 6 8, 1 3 5 8 and 7. So you can see all the distance is my remain the same. You can see again the same examples are there. You can firstly say my distance from the 1 to 7. You can start from the 1, you can do it yourself, you can find the distance between them. You can see which one is the minimum. 2 is the minimum, you can write as here. You can see from the 2 you can go either as a 5 or either as a 4, but the previous value 3 is also be there, so I can take this value as such. Now you can compute the value of 4. The 2 is my here 2, 2 plus 11 is my 13, but the previous value of the 4 is my 10, so I can take the value of here is 10 comma 1. Previous value of the 2 is my 2, 5 7 comma 2. Now you can see which one is the minimum. This is minimum. You can take 3 in the next side. From the 3 you can go as a 4 or as a 6, but we need the previous value 5 as such of here. You can compute the distances of here. Which one is the minimum is? 6 is the minimum. You can from 6 you can see that you can only go to the 7, but I need the previous value of the 4 and 5 also. You can write here. What is the value of the 7 is 5 plus 9, that is a 14 comma 6, but the previous value of the 7 is not be there, so it's a 14 comma 6. Which one is the minimum is 4 is my minimum, so you can take it as a 4 is here. Again you can compute here which one is the minimum is 5. You can compute them here. Now the only one part is pending, so it means this is my permanent. So the distance is my 13 is my here. So the 7, you can see 7 is permanent due to the 5, so you can write as a 5. 5 is permanent, 5 is permanent here due to the 2, and 2 is permanent here due to the 1. So the path is 1 2 5 7 is the right answer. You can do it yourself and check whether this is the right answer of this between the node O and between the node T, and also check whether there is any of the alternative path exists apart from the O, C, G, T. If yes, write in your comment box. You can see what is the answer in that box. You can see some another videos related to my lectures are in this channel name, Dr. Harish Garg. You can share this video with your friends. Till then, subscribe the channel. Best of luck students, happy learning.